what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
Well, good morning, y'all. Welcome back to Controlled Chaos Painting. As always, I'm Ken, and I'll be your artist today. Got a new painting for you. We're going to do a horizon swipe technique, and we're going to use autumn colors. So, kind of looking forward to it. They're kind of colors to my liking. But before we get to that, first off, I want to apologize for the long delays. Again, we've had so much stuff going on, so I'm going to try to get these videos out, much more promptly than we were in the past. Recent past anyways. I appreciate all of you, and people like Patty, Katie, can't recall some other names offhand, who were with us for some time, thank you. Anyways, so yeah, let's go ahead and get painting, and not too much talking in this one. I'll show you the ratios and stuff, so let's get painting.
835 feet.
Doing crazy dreaming.
5 feet. That long name. .com.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. just as surprised as you.
Okay, everybody, as always, I'd like to thank you for joining me on this painting journey. It came out a little different than expected. What's new? It's actually turning out really beautiful. I'll let you guys take a look at it. I haven't thought of a name for it yet, so if you guys do think of one, let me know down in the comments, you know. Maybe we'll pick one of those. Anyways, yeah, but I like it. Interesting. A little bit more pink than I expected. I'm going to try to get the next painting up within the next 10 to 14 days. But let's get that close up, and thanks again for joining. And if you do enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification button for upcoming videos.
The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.
I haven't thought of a name of it yet, a name for it. I haven't